Welcome to Forward Pass for all the latest AI news. Who benefits when Beijing accuses an American AI company of planting a backdoor in its coding tool? Days after that company was locked out of mainland China. Start there. The security claim isn't really the story. China's National Cybersecurity Coordination Center issued a formal warning this week. It said, Anthropic's Claude code contains what it called backdoor security vulnerabilities. It urged Chinese users to update immediately or move to a domestic tool. Anthropic pushed back hard. The company denied the technical claim. It also pointed out something awkward. Chinese users were never authorized to use Claude code in the first place. Anthropic already blocks mainland access. So the warning targets a product the company already refuses to sell in that market. That's an unusual place for a security alert to land. Two very different things are getting fused into one story. One is real, one is contested. The real part, independent security researchers recently found a hidden usage tracker inside Claude code. Anthropic removed it after the criticism. That's a privacy issue. It's not a backdoor. A backdoor means a hidden route for someone else to break in and take control. There's no public evidence of that. Anthropic denies it. The cybersecurity notice provides no technical detail either. What we have is a real privacy fix, wrapped inside a much bigger geopolitical claim. Those two things are being blurred deliberately. Timing is the tell. In the days before the warning, Alibaba pulled Claude code from its cloud. Anthropic had already restricted mainland access. And Chinese coding models just caught Anthropic on the metric enterprises actually watch, cost per task. Databricks tested the open-source Chinese model GLM 5.2 against Opus 4.8 on its own million-line codebase. Quality matched. Cost came in at $1.28 per task versus $1.94. Databricks made GLM its default coding engine. On the other flank, XAI just released Grok 4.5 at $2 per million input tokens, roughly 4 times fewer tokens than Opus for equivalent work. The pricing pressure on Anthropic is not theoretical. It is arriving from open source and from a well-funded competitor at the same time. Set against that backdrop, a state cybersecurity warning starts to look like a market signal. It tells Chinese enterprises the same thing the Alibaba ban did. Don't buy this. Buy a domestic model instead. GLM is Chinese. It is cheaper. It is now benchmarking at the same level. That is the pattern to watch. AI, capability parity, plus a national security frame equals a very clean push toward homegrown tooling. Meanwhile, Anthropic is expanding on the other side of the world. Claude co-work went to mobile and web. Enterprise partnerships are landing. Opus 4.8 has been hit by outages that enterprise customers are visibly frustrated by. The company is stretched. Watch 3 things next. 1. Whether Anthropic publishes a technical rebuttal with real detail. Silence would be an opening. 2. Whether other Chinese platforms follow Alibaba and formally block Claude. That would harden the split into something structural. 3. Whether GLM 5.2's benchmark wins turn into real enterprise share, inside China first and quietly outside it as buyers see the price gap. The deeper story here is not a single leaked vulnerability. It is that the coding model market is fragmenting on national lines while the price floor is collapsing under it. That is the operating environment every AI company faces from here. The cybersecurity notice looks like a warning. It is really the opening move. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for all the latest AI news.